Ferrari F12berlinetta. Hey, what's up guys? Directly let's go to Parx. अभी like we are almost reached the destination. यहाँ पे Parx है.
गाड़ी से इकडूनच दुसरा रे.
काय बोलतो इकडून? Okay. And this is the gate. यहाँ से सब cars अंदर आएंगे. I actually enjoyed the night drive, guys. This is our own petrol-led mobile. Like I put some soothing music on and enjoying the night drive, comfortably cruising at speed of like 40, 50. Like it's such an amazing experience. And by some leaks, we have also found out that 80% of the supercars have actually not even entered the gate. From this gate, every car is going to go inside. Okay, guys. So finally, we have entered the gate. अभी तक show चालू नहीं हुआ है. We had entered from the rear side वाला gate, and this is the place. वहाँ पे actually you can see those supercars. Currently इतने ही supercars आई है. Oh, that's an Aventador and Gumball की Porsche, DAD वाली Porsche. Oh my God, there are so many supercars now already. Oh, check out the interior of the Ferrari F12berlinetta. Okay. Oh, check that interior, guys. That's so nice. Have a look at that Pininfarina badge. And those vents, you can see it's totally hollow in there just because of the aerodynamic reasons. And wow, that's an amazing car. What do you think, guys? The first car of the show, the Ferrari F12berlinetta V12. Oh, look at that Rolls-Royce drop head coupe. You can't even hear the engine sound when the car is rolling like marshmallows. That's a Rolls-Royce drop head coupe Phantom. And man, those grills and the pinstriping you can see over there. And the guys who don't know that this pinstriping is all done by human hands. This is a surprise for you. There's a Rolls-Royce and Gallardo Special Edition. Extremely sorry for the engine noise, guys. This car is only 250 in the whole world. Oh, the Gumball car is rolling. That's the real beauty. I can't hear a thing. I've blown up my ears now. Oh shit. बाजू हो जाओ, बाजू हो जाओ. So guys, we have finally got the pass, the crew pass, and we can go in the tent which is behind to see the Laferrari and the Mclaren Senna. I'm extremely excited to see the McLaren and the Laferrari, because I'll be seeing the Laferrari after around 3 to 4 years, but I'll be seeing the McLaren Senna for the first time ever. So I'm very pumped to see, and let's go inside. Guys, this is the exact same car which was being shown in the 2015, and this has a glorious V12 and a hybrid power system which makes the car 950 plus bhp. this is the McLaren Senna which Mr. Singhania has brought finally. Previously bought the 720S which you must have seen in the previous videos. If you haven't seen that, the video link will be in the description. These two are the showstopper of today's show. Have a look at these Senna, guys.